Did you know simple activities can improve both mental and physical health? Activity therapy is more than just keeping busy. It's about engaging the mind and body for better well-being. Activity therapy focuses on meaningful tasks that stimulate both the brain and body. It's commonly used in dementia care, mental health support, and rehabilitation to enhance cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve mobility. Think beyond traditional exercises. Simple activities like gardening, puzzles, dancing, or even cooking can make a huge impact. For example, puzzles help with problem solving and memory, while gardening promotes mindfulness and physical coordination. And dancing? It's a fun way to boost mood, improve balance, and keep the body active, all while connecting emotionally with others. So, why is activity therapy so effective? It taps into the mind-body connection. Engaging in creative and physical activities releases endorphins, reduces anxiety, and improves focus. For someone with dementia, folding laundry or sorting objects isn't just busy work. It provides a sense of purpose. Similarly, art projects or simple crafts help express emotions when words are hard to find. Even group activities like board games or storytelling sessions promote social interaction, which is key for mental health. And here's the best part, you don't need specialized equipment. Everyday activities like cooking together, going for a walk, or doing light stretching can be powerful tools for well-being. Activity therapy isn't just about staying busy, it's about creating meaningful moments that support mental and physical health. Whether through art, movement, or simple daily tasks, these activities help reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. Want to learn specific activities you can try at home? My upcoming shorts will share easy, practical tips, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and leave your thoughts in the comments. For more caregiving tips and wellness strategies, check out my channel. Together we can create a healthier, more engaged life, one activity at a time. Thank you for watching.